Good morning. Now I'm going to cook rice for my daughter, and I'm going to add here pumpkin, papaya and locust rice. All of these are organic, which we brought from the village. Till now we haven't fed her market things because they may contain preservative. That's why we only feed her natural food whom we brought from our own garden, because now she is a small baby. जब वो बड़ा हो जाएगा, will not be concerned about her food much. At that time she may manage herself, but now it is our duty to take care of her because she is still small baby. जब तक छोटा होगा हम लोग का ड्यूटी बनता है बच्चा को केयर करने का. बड़ा होने से कुछ से जान जाएगा what to eat, what to not eat. After cooking this breakfast, I freshed up myself. After that, I'm going to apply sunscreen. This is Mama Earth. This is from Mama Earth. We have to take care of our skin. So, if we stay inside the house also, we have to apply sunscreen so that we may protect ourselves from the UV rays. इसलिए सनस्क्रीन लगाना है हर दिन, हर सुबह. Now I'm going to start cleaning. I used to sweep and mop every day, but also our house is still full of dust, cause it is located near the main road. इसलिए